Hello guys, how are you today? This is Hamoudi from Bilu Media and we are gonna talk about this guy today. This is the HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro. When HOTO reached out to me for trying out this kit and I have another kit, I said, hell yeah. I mean, in drones we need tools all the time, and more tools is very good almost all the time. I have another screwdrivers, a lot of them, but I'm really excited to test this out. It's a little bit heavy. I am not sure what we have inside. Let's put it on scale real quick. So it's around 863. I think maybe the case, I see here some metal case, which is really nice. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. The box is really nice. It resembles the Apple products. It's really nice and simple. So let's open it out and see what we have inside. Okay, so we have a yellow box, not really yellow, cream box. And here what we have inside. So we have a booklet, instruction guide. Here we have the USB cable. It is yellow. I didn't see a yellow cable before, which is nice. I like this touch. Wow, yeah, it's yellow. Very nice color. And here we have, okay, this is for grounding, I mean for safety. You put this here and you connect it to the case, I guess. I have a mat that you can connect, you have something similar and you connect it for safety, for ground, I guess, but I didn't use it before. And I guess this is the case. Wow. It's really big and very nice case. It's plastic, it's not metal, but it's really hard plastic. So let's weight it out. So it's around 648 grams. I guess the carton weighs 200 grams with the accessories. And you open it here. It looks very premium. I like how it looks and how everything is organized. Here we have, this is a magnet mat. It's magnet for putting the screws and the bits and everything, basically magnet what you have. Because in this hobby, at least in drones and in watches and in modeling in general, I mean small construction things, you have a lot of screws. Most of the times you lose the screws and you won't find them, and it's a little bit hard, and having one of these is really good. And this one is, it feels very good and it's thick. And here I guess you have all the bits that you have in the box, so you can see all the bits here, and you can see the bits name here as well. Let's start with the screwdriver. It feels very light, very light, 60 grams. Yeah, it's very light. It has two torque settings, I guess, 1 and 2. And here you power the unit. And here you undo it. So it's really simple. You charge the screwdriver via the case, so you don't have a USB-C here, you have it in the case itself. And this is the pads where touches the pads on the case itself here. And this is how you charge the screwdriver. It is nice. The downside though is that you have to have the case always in order to charge the screwdriver, which is good for organizing, but you have to not forget the case, because otherwise you can charge the screwdriver. It doesn't bother me. It is even better for me because I like trying to be organized. You have to put it first here and after in the back like this. So let's put the cable and see if this LED will turn on. I guess it will turn on to indicate if the screwdriver is charging or it's completed. Yeah, so now you see the red light. That means that it is charging and it's blinking. And I guess when it's finished it will be green. We have here the normal bits. They are usual bits that you can find in every screwdriver, I guess. Here you have 20 bits and here you have 6 bits that are long bits, which is really good because sometimes the normal bits you can put in tight spaces, and in drones, in modeling in general, you find a lot of these spaces. For example, let me show you here. If you can see, it is a little bit deep and normal bit will not reach to the end. Let me show you. This here can't reach. I mean, you can't put it. Is hard to put the screwdriver here, and the long one is really handy. You can put it here and then use the screwdriver without any problems, which is really good. I don't have bits like this, and it's really handy to have bits like this so you can do your job. So you have here the normal bits, here a little longer, and they are universal. That means that you can use other bits if you have with this screwdriver. Let me show you. Here I have my manual kit, and if I try using a bit from here and put it here, it will work without any problems. And you have here a magnet which helps the bit sticks. It has some kind of texture here that helps a grip, that helps your hand while working, which is nice. I guess this helps you with the manual function because you have to power it like this. You will not grip it here. So this, I think, with the manual, or I'm not sure for what, because I can't press it and at the same time hold it here. I'm not sure. Let's try unscrewing a screw from here. So let me use the longer bit. I'm using the normal torque now and it's not working. I guess it's hard. So let's use the second torque settings. Yeah. And it's working without any problems. And putting it back works without any problems. And what I really like about this too, that you can use it in manual too, which is nice. I bought in the past, when I started with drones, a screwdriver, electrical screwdriver, something similar like this, and I couldn't use it manually, which is really a downside for me because I don't want to change the screwdriver every time I'm working. This is a really nice touch and a good plus. So this is the screwdriver. I like how it looks, and it has a light here. When you start the unit, it has a light here to help you see what you are doing, which is really good. And it's really simple. You have the forward and the backward and the torque settings here, which makes it really convenient because you don't have to mess around. You only take it and start working. And here we have the mat. As you can see, you put the screws and the screw sticks without any problems to the mat, which is nice. And the other side is without a magnet, so this will not stick. Maybe you need to use different things that you don't need a magnet, and it's really nice to have multiple faces, one with magnet and one without a magnet. And I like this message. It's really nice message, make it happen. So it will motivate you to do what you love and what you enjoy, basically. So this is really, I like the message. I like to put it in front of me and work. It really motivates me. Nice touch, HOTO. So let's see what we have inside. So the case doesn't have battery. You only charge the unit from the outlet. Let's see what we have else here. We have some opening bits. I have no idea about the name of these things. It's for opening cases and MacBook, for example, laptop cover or case. You have 5 of these, which is really nice. And we have also these 3 of these things. Again, I'm not sure what they are called. Opening bits, I have no idea. I have to see, and I will write it on the screen for you guys to see. So we have 3 of those. They seem very strong and the plastic is really hard, which I like. And you have 3 of these. And here you have a metal bit spatula, or I'm not sure what it's called, with 2 endings. Here you have a little bit more curved one, and this is a less curved than this. I guess you use it to open, again, stuff. And you have these 2 bits as well. You have the message here too, which is really nice. In my drones, I don't use that much opening stuff. I use the tweezers. We have 2 tweezers here. These ones I use in my drones, and they look nice and they feel very nice. They are metal too, and one of them is a little bit sharp and one not so sharp, so I will use them with to hold my cables, and they feel very good. I like the grip. And I have a cheap tweezers from Amazon, but they don't feel the same. These ones are a little bit, you feel the quality and the grip of them is a little bit better. And this one, another opening tool with a metal ending here and a plastic handle. And here we have a suction cup to open the laptop cover or the phone cover normally, or the screen or something. So you put it like this and you remove the cover. Here we have a magnetizer and demagnetizer. So if you need your bit to not stick to the screws, you use this one. So this is all what we have here, guys. It looks very nice. I like the quality of the plastic. It's very good quality, and I like the tools that we have here. Normally I will not use all what you have here for my projects. Basically I will use the tweezers, the bits, and the screwdriver itself, but it's nice to have these other tools to use them from time to time. I guess if you are a service that repairs phones and laptops, you will use this stuff more than me. And they feel sturdy and they feel quality, so they don't feel cheap. I guess they are good too. So for drones, what we need normally is this bit right here. This is the H1.5 for this drone, for example. For the motors is really good, and I can show you how you can open it. Yeah, and put it back. And for bigger screws like this, we have the long bit. Yeah, so it works without any problems on the first sitting, and you can use the manual function as well. So this is it, guys, for today. I like the design of the HOTO products. They have very nice products, modern design. You can look at their website and see they have a lot of products. And this is also a really nice product, and they have nice touches like this make it happen message, which motivates me, and I enjoy working when I see stuff like this. So thank you very much guys for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.